Are you facing issues with your Taobao account or order? Wondering how to get in touch with customer care, but not sure where to start? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to contact Taobao customer service in just a few simple steps. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip on getting faster responses. Let's get started. Follow these steps to easily reach Taobao's customer service. Step 1. Open the Taobao app and log into your account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen to go to your personal account page. Step 3. Scroll down and look for the Customer Service option, usually listed under the Help and Feedback section. Step 4. Tap on Customer Service. You'll be presented with different ways to get in touch with them, including live chat or sending a message. Step 5. Choose the method that works best for you. If you prefer live chat, tap on the live chat option and you'll be connected with a customer service agent instantly. Step 6. If you're not able to chat, you can choose to send a message or email. Just describe your issue, and a customer service representative will get back to you as soon as possible. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus tip for you. For quicker responses, make sure to include all relevant details, like order numbers or specific issues you're facing when you contact customer service. This helps them resolve your problem faster. Was this guide helpful? Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had to contact Taobao customer care and how your experience went. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more useful Taobao tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping!